Hello dear children. In this class we will see your new lesson, that is lesson 11, geometry. Okay, here first we have to understand some of the concept, that is point, line segment, ray and angle. Let us see first one, point. Okay, this is the introduction part of geometry. Introduction. First one is point. So what do you mean by point? See, this is a pen. Here tip is there. See, you can see the tip. This is the tip. This tip we can say this one is a point. The tip of a pin or needle or your sharpened pencil. Here if you sharp, you will get only one sharp point. That is called, we can say, point. How to represent this point means, if it is a dot, this we can say it is point A. How to read this one? As point A. Okay. Now, a point have only position. It has only position. It has only position, and we can say the tip of your pen or your sharpened pencil, pin or needle is example for point. Okay. Point A. Next comes line. First one is point, next one is line. What do you mean by line? See, several number of points are forming line without any distance. If several points, if you are there, it can form what? Line. See, okay, it is having then we can say this one is a line. If here I take 1 point and it is also 1 point. Now I will show direction in both the side. This arrow mark is showing about direction. That is nothing but you can extend this line how much you want. You can draw only this much line. You can draw little bit big line, or you can draw from this point to this point. That means line, if I take this one is A and it one is B, so I can read this one as line AB. What it is? Line AB. How this can be represented? This can be represented by represented. That means how can we read and how can we identify the given one is line means, see, here also arrow mark is there, here also arrow mark is there. So line AB or line BA we can read. Line A to B or line B to A we can read. We can write this one as line AB. See how I am representing this one. See, line AB or line BA. Okay, line AB or line BA. This how you are drawing, the same way you have to represent above these spellings. So line has two endpoints. How many endpoints? Two endpoints, and it can extend both the direction. In both sides it can extend. Extend in both sides. This is about line that I told. You can draw one small line or you can draw one big, or how much you want. You can draw a big line also. So it can extend in both the direction. Next one, line segment. Line segment. What is this line segment means? It is also a line only. It is a part of line. It is a part of line. But what is the difference between line and line segment means? See, it will be having two ends. It will be having two ends. Here only it will stop. You can't draw this one. If I say this one is P, if it is Q, you should not show the arrow mark here. Arrow mark is telling about you can extend here also, here also. But line segment means we can't extend. This line is there means only this much is a line segment. Here, if you want small line segment means you can draw small line segment, that you can say D and E. It is also a part of line, but we can't extend in both the sides. It has how many ends? It has two end points. It has two end points. I'm so sorry, in a line, no endpoints, not two endpoints, no endpoints. It can extend wherever you want. No endpoints, and line segment is having two endpoints. And how to read this one? We can read this as line segment PQ or line segment QP. How to represent this one? In symbolically we can represent. Symbolically, that means represented by it is there, no? That is symbolically PQ, I have to show only this line. Don't show the arrow mark. This time we have to show only what we have drawn here. PQ or QP. PQ or QP for this line segment DE, line segment ED. See, in this class we have studied about point, line and line segment. In the next video we will see ray and angle. Thank you.